Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadin ba kani ke jingja yakan an, hapadeng ki jai ben reu khasi bar ki jai ben reu harijan. Kabala petengru ke jingwan tur ki pai ba khasi, sekitan yo. Bantam yakani ke jing bitar, jong ki pai ba bar komjo ya ka jingsim jong ki pai ba yak a nyakti. Henne hi ke janmiet u Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasels District u ba Peter S. Dekhar. Ulakhot de ke Jingïalang ki babon balang banyakran halor kani ke benta. Syakani ke Jingïalang u ba Peter S. Dekhar. Ulalom ki MLA jong ke barok ki konsensi basyakta nakani ke jingja. Nangta ya ke senjok kirang ba Shnong bat ya ki Sengbhalang ba pher. Kane ke jingkhot udisi kini Nongsynshar Shnong ki MLA ba ki Sengbhalang kolong mentua Jingmut naki ya ki lat ki lenti komno banwara biang ya ke songsok songsan hakani ke nong ba Sholong komba julong barok sikata.
The members, the public, that is the honorable MLAs from a particular area where the curfew had been imposed, three of them. I had also invited the Sinjuki Rangba Shnong. I also invited the NGOs who are here. The whole objective is that how can we bring back normalcy here in the city. So during the deliberation, they have all given me the assurance, me and SP, that from their point of view, they will try their best to see in the respective localities, the respective areas, to bring back normalcy and to see that by tomorrow we should be able to see again that we lift curfew in the first place, and we should be able to open the markets so that the people can come back as usual. This is what we discussed today. Many of them had given up points here, there, so many things to say, but at the end of everything, that is what we requested them, and that's what they had told us, and we go by that. Of course, something which SP also would like to share, but overall, I believe that with the involvement, the participation of the representative, the stakeholders from the community, I believe we should be able to bring back normalcy to the city. From our side or from the government side, we should bring out a press release saying that, okay, here are the facts and figures, this is what the district administration have done, and this is what which is not correct, fake news, or that when on the social media from yesterday till today, we have to correct all those things so that people should know the facts, what exactly had happened, so that nobody should get carried away with all those kind of news. This is one thing which they had told us, and we'll do that. And other things which they say that, okay, quite often that people had spoken about that area which is in a slum area, and many kind of incidents like this had happened in the past. It would be good that if the government take a call on this, that the place should be make open for some other purposes, and the community who are staying there probably can be rehabilitated somewhere else. That will do good to everybody. So this is a suggestion given by almost all of them, and I also assure them that I will convey this to the government. Now I leave the government to how we take it, and I'm sure the government also will take it seriously.
Habakaran pansha susu Halor kadao jong ka jingmi upat ubelin nado hanin kamet ka lai phoitre ujamang banek tor sepo harijan koloni USP ka East Khasels District u Davis Armarak ulaong bakadao hi kadairu na ka jingpan priang ki khubor bathok ki reushim kabu lengba ki social media na ka baong ba wei na ki ba sasho uladu no ila ka jong jingem komta na kalyang ki bor punya district kila maham ting yakum gini ki breu ki bajumlien ban pen priang ki ta ki khubor ki bamdai ki bashisha.
However, there were rumors flying around that in the social media that one of the so-called victims had died, which actually escalated this problem. And at that moment, because there was allegations and counter-allegations, it was then decided that both parties will not go ahead, and they had compromised the matter, and they will not go ahead with filing an FIR. A GT entry to this effect has been made at Cantonment Beat House about this incident. Thereafter, in the evening, around around 5:30, in between around 5:30 to 6 p.m., a huge crowd belonging to the SPTS Bus Association, including the drivers, conductors, etc., they had gathered at Maulang Ghat, and they were proceeding towards Punjabi line. And there also another group of people from the Punjabi line also they came out, and there was likely that there was going to be a group clash. We were able to convince both the groups to actually go back. We were able to convince people from Punjabi line to go back to their residences, and we were able to convince majority of this main group, which was numbering more than about 500 people, to disperse, and many of them had actually dispersed from the spot. However, a big number, numbering about maybe 200 or so, they proceeded towards Motran, and later this party again made a U-turn and had turned towards Punjabi line, and wherein there was people from Punjabi line who were already there armed with some deadly weapons like daggers, knives, etc. And there was an apprehension that it would lead to a very serious group clash, due to which a lathi charge was ordered. And this lathi charge actually escalated the problem, and this lathi charge took a long time to contain the trouble, which actually we were able to contain this group by around 2:30 in the morning. And thereafter in the morning curfew was imposed from 4 a.m. onwards, and today again in violation of the curfew orders, a huge crowd has gathered, and even now that huge crowd is gathering, and they are violating the curfew orders, and they are throwing stones, petrol bombs, etc. even now. Now, one of the reasons, one of the ways it was suggested that this problem could be de-escalated to bring the situation to normalcy was, it was suggested that if the perpetrators, later I may add that later on that yesterday's evening, a fresh FIR was filed by the SPTS Bus Association, which was registered in Sadar PS, because Tenderman Beat House falls under Sadar PS. So that case was registered, but the victims were not named. It was mentioned unidentified persons. And today one of the main demands was that if the police were able to give out that we have taken action against them and arrested them, then this problem will de-escalate. So thereafter we had investigated into this case. There were certain suspects which we had detained in the police station. And after detaining and questioning, today we have arrested one main person who is connected in this case, as far as this case of assault is concerned. So with this we hope that this will de-escalate the situation. It is true that today, as you are aware, a curfew is already imposed. Section 144 has already been imposed by the DC. In violation of that orders and in contravention of that orders, there are still pelting stones and even petrol bombs even now. So due to which some people have been arrested. I don't have the figures as of now, because I was here in this meeting for more than about an hour. So in that point, I don't know how many people have been arrested, but I know that some more people have been picked up as of now. Today I was there in Motran, and before my eyes only 2 people were very seriously injured. One got hit on the nose and one got hit on the hands, and they were bleeding profusely today also. Yesterday, a lot of people, in fact, of 90% of the people who were there in Motran last night, all of them are either limping or they are actually injured. All of them took a hit yesterday. It is a fact that all of them took a hit. Yes, today incident I have personally seen 2 people. I don't know, because the situation is still continuing in Motran as of now. So I don't know exactly how many people have been injured as of now.
Ya kaba lanjut lagi produk perasnan bijongi kibom TPA bat arngut nama tak ken boro kat gum go brief jong USP menai kita deki juvenile ane kita giba apo ka perasnan perta Tinggi penrem jo di Jingsyar show ki kelung ki kena kini ki poiwir ki bashom thap tu jaka. Kata kadi bani kong ka ba arpat kelong ba nakale sengi de ban ni sung thu shai ba kani ka jingjia ka he kani kani namar kadi nak jingkuman hi jong sarkar. Man wengi tu ki poiwir na tu po them kham tor. Jingsyar habak sarkar ba ada persna kita ka ying nam ta jongki ko ki kamra mo jongki bakin leksa rega ba semua pela kalau ba am tip ni hem kham tor tu ki harijan tu ki kilim hadu kan tu jaka ba kila benut saya ke ban leksa tu jaka tinggi de bersuthu sai ru sa ka wi long ba tu jaka kam de jaka ka basangan kam de jaka ka ba sok na kapor sa kapor kini ki jingjia sa ta ti kisat jia tu kapor la pinlet tu jaka men mit ni men si kam dong sif than kata dia kawai ke bang dia sentuh itu jaka kapa arpat kolong kemba pisentuh ka jingjia itu ke dina ite hidau iba kata ka bos ka sange nama kadang traffic jam hi ke jingdon jong itu gi kharmotor hang tu kawan ra traffic jam da pinlet hang tu pinyui bagi sajan hasurok kitong hasurok kiset jingset hasurok kibu ya ki mar ke mata ki jongki hasurok kaying ki jongki ke bagi barit mereka selep ki jongki ke tam surok kilapan telaya ke surok kum ke kamera shongkai kum ke kamera set jingset kum ke ramsum ki jongki ya ke bapinam lak no habenta jong ke silong bakin den tinadu menu ke sarkar kala ai commission ki bakin pen kelaya tu surok kum ke kamera shongkai kamera sum kamera set ki jongki ke sarkar ka hok coba katu kamdi ke residential area ke ba kitu ki karmotor ba kin shong kin sa tu jaka kajing kem jo katu kosorok kalau hadu kata-kata kebapan poi syau ni udak jong kajing yom snam kebapoi imtan tinat kadau kalian nak kalian jo kesengi sutu syai bakat bom pat wengi tu gitem itu gibriu nak tu bejaka kani ka isu kanom yo ya ka permanent solution tinat kalian kesengi stick big ya ka ikwa ya sarkar kan warra big ya ka permanent solution dan ka long term solution buat katahi ka long ban evik lan ni ban be itu gi kharmoto nak tu jaka
Halor ka jingpun priang ikom kita ki khubor balam ler na ki reu sim kabu ya ka khubor kabam dai satya ka basisha ha ka jingla ikendo ya ki laingut ki khna ki basha so anen kasngi hapo harijan koloni ki barang sha sumar menta hapo negrems hospital mauding dang kini ki khna ro ki lapan pau ya ka jing bam sngo ya hap ya kom gini ki jat khubor kom joru na ka leng ki bahieng hasam jong gini ki khna bat na wai ne ki nong ilam niam
Hadin jong ka bangi la poisa police station ka kamram jongi ka ka badai ban le bangi dewan ai be sekati ka an ngi la le andre hadin bangi banai kini ki khobor ba baro simet ka 1 phone calls ba la jia ka ni ka tai ka jing sosi ki pat ba ki la long ta la don ba khlat ne hadu kom ta ro ki la ong te ngi kwa ban panchai ki pat ba kini ki baro khoj ki dai tang ki bre ki ba kwa ban sim kabu ki bayat nanti senken ki baya kwa ban perklumar Shnong rai kam don kata kai namar nga bat iba ngadon lang hado shipho baje hado menam step ngadang phone bet ta katang katai ka message nga ka bang kwa ban ai ki pat ba bat nga konturo ki brio ki babat ya ka an ba ki deban pansitom bet thik ya ki tu ki brio ki ba don kti ko me kini ki ayu kum badon kti ko me kini ki kam pentrim ki ba sho itu khlung namar bale ni don kamro ban kantu ka an ba kan sim khia ba kalenti hang to kham tam le em ka ba kham long yo ka deban ai kita ki security ki ba biang ba kan snga ya ki nong ya lenti kan.
There are so many rumors, people are spreading so much of rumor. I also got so many of news, and just now when we met the family and the members, especially those young boys, the real story came out. I heard that 14 stitches came around 11:45 at night. I heard that the boy has died in a hospital. Some said boy is in Woodland Hospital, some said in civil hospital, some said it happened in morning, some said it happened in evening. So many things, so many rumors are. Message as a church, we will say that, see, we are all created in the image of God. We are living in a Christian state actually. We are all brothers and sisters in Christ. We should live in harmony and peace. We should really avoid such communal clashes. There is no Punjabi and Khasi. We are all created in the image of God. If we see, we are all brothers and sisters in Christ. If something bad happened, let police intervene, the real matter. But we should not create any such misunderstanding among us.
Minim step nak ngi mu wan no minim miet
ba kajar tuma ka hura tang khamon shu iwan am step namar so menim biru kala khies ka su iwan no mar menim step in bro langut mitaru ka shulong kha ba kemet ka jing su tang so kamdawan kamda su shu namar la injek kawan bitang ka jing kha shamet na
Pi semua pun bagi beri ki orang hanya bagi pilai apa ni.
Sihab
Tang bensu parep
parep
pur di kana kai.